To configure FnF node use clearance settings, first, log in to the cloud portal. Go to the settings menu. Then under the HR tab, scroll down to select FnF Department Head Manager. Then, to add new rows, click on Add Row option. You can add multiple rows by clicking on the Add Rows repetitively as per your need. To delete rows, click on the box on the left side of the row and click Delete selected. To add additional columns beyond the ones already available, click on the Select Business Unit option and select components from the drop-down as per your requirement. And then click on Add Column. The columns will be added. After that, to add department field, double-click on the department field and select respective department from the drop-down. To add location field and manager, double-click on the location field, manager field and select from the drop-down. Set the manager's priority as 1 or 2, depending on your manager configuration. If there are 2 managers, then the first priority manager will have to approve first before the second manager, and both the managers' approval are required for the process of clearance. Select the forms from the drop-down as per your requirement. Select Action button as per your need. Click on it to highlight it as per your need. This is replacement icon. It replaces the existing manager for the selected row and shifts all pending approvals to the new manager. After clicking the replacement icon, it gets highlighted, indicating the previous manager is replaced and entries of employees under him is transferred to the new manager. This is clearance lock icon. It ensures FnF node use clearance cannot proceed without mandatory approval from the specified head. After clicking the clearance lock icon, it turns blue and it signifies clearance lock is active and FnF node use clearance cannot proceed without mandatory approval from the manager mentioned. After making all the necessary steps as per your need mentioned above, scroll up to click on Save button. The configuration of FnF node use clearance department heads will be set successfully.